What is going on, y'all? RJ here with CV Tech, and today I want to be unboxing something a little bit different here. These are the Skullcandy Sport Bluetooth earbuds here, called Method Wireless and all that kind of cool stuff. Down here at the bottom has a dual lock fit, sweat resistance, up to 9-hour battery life, as you can see right there. Looks really nice with the black and the red accents there. All kinds of cool stuff, as you can see. Let's go ahead and go to the side here. There's nothing there. On the back here, you will see that it has Flex Sport collar, dual lock fit, pure clean protection, built-in microphone, call track, volume control, all that kind of cool stuff, as you see up yonder as well. And yeah, that's just kind of the diagram there. And top and bottom, not a whole lot going on there. Let's go ahead and rip into this box here and just see what we have in the box. Appears to be taped on pretty good, so give me a second here while I undo this box. It's just tape holding the thing on. So yeah, let's go ahead and just make a complete fail out of this opening box, but it's okay. Give me a second here while I get this here fixed. So after completely destroying the top of this box here, we'll go ahead and pull out these this Bluetooth headset here. It just don't want to come out of here, okay? So here is your Skullcandy setup. Okay, not bad looking there. Got some extra earbuds there in case it don't fit your ears just right. So let's go ahead here and open this up. Got some tape there as well. Go ahead and just snap them in two, so we don't care about tape. Let's go ahead and open this up here, and we'll take this out. We're gonna see how they feel and everything. I got some instruction booklets down here. Go ahead and take all that stuff out of there. Sit to the side, and we'll take a look here at these. Now, these up here, of course, you can see how they kind of just hang there, just like that and everything. But you can pull these out of here, and they do kind of extend. And you can see right there, extend out to however you need it to be. And I'm guessing, of course, they just kind of snap right back into place, just like so. And so you got, you know, plenty of options there. Not really as good as the LG tones that I picked up, but you know, it is what it is. They all got their own different sets. Now down here, of course, you got some stuff here as well. If it'll zoom in or focus in here, it ain't gonna happen. So it looks like you got a volume button down here, volume up button over here. You don't appear to have anything, so not a whole lot of settings here going on. I'm gonna go ahead and try these things on here to see how they feel whenever they are around your neck. So just give me a second here. So as you can see right here, they kind of fit around your neck really well. Kind of feel like that it might fly off if you ain't careful, but it does rest comfortably here. Back here in the back, you'll see is your other earbud. I got one already in here and everything. Now, I will be testing these out to see how these things sound. Okay, according to the specs here, sweat resistance is really good if you're out jogging, out running, stuff like that. In the next video that I show, we'll be telling you my experience of the you know, music quality, call quality, how far the range is away from the phone, and all that kind of stuff. These here are the Skullcandy. Not even sure of the name brand of these here. However, I do like the black with a red trim around it. Like I say, when you get done, it just kind of, you know, you can run your finger up through there like that, and the cord just kind of runs right back into place. And when you put the earphones on, they pretty much stay behind your ear without any kind of wire showing, nothing like that. They feel comfortable. They don't feel bad at all. So, I mean, you can use one ear, two ears. I'm trying to see where the microphone is. The microphone is right up top right here. Can't see it too good like this here, but that right there is the microphone. And I'm looking to see how you charge this thing. Yeah, on the bottom here is a micro USB. So let me go ahead and flip around to the rear camera here again and finish up on this unboxing. And of course, you do get your little micro USB charging cable right here. And of course, you do have some different, you know, tips here in case you got smaller ears. The ones on here right now are made for like those with bigger ears, stuff like that. So I believe this here would work better in my ear, be honest with you. And like I said, on the bottom here, if you can see it, Of course, is the micro USB charging port right there. But you can really see there, really nice Skullcandy there. And so I will definitely give these here a try out. And I will follow up in a few days after using them. I want to test the battery life on these things. I want to see how much it will stand. And all that kind of, I'm going to carry them around for a few days and have them around my neck and stuff like that. So this is just my unboxing. And look here at the Skullcandy model S2CDW. And you know, these, honestly, these right here retail for around $59.99 at Target. That's where I bought mine from. And do they feel cheap? Not really. They don't really feel that cheap at all. They feel pretty reliable and everything. Only time will tell how everything works out and, you know, everything. So these things right here retailed at $60. However, I was able to get it at a special price of only $34.99. So I couldn't pass it up to try out these right here. So the specs on here, like I say, really don't impress me much, but we'll see how that works out. So this was helpful and informative. If you enjoy seeing this new different unboxing here on my channel with a Skullcandy Sport Bluetooth headset, hit that like button. Any questions or comments you may have, leave it below. I'll get back with you as soon as possible. You ain't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and see y'all in the next video.